The 2011 Kia Sorento. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.